So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with database form email section inside of Notion. So over here you can see that I have this database form right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in an email section right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the add question button right here, just like this, and then here you can see that email is an option. If I were to go around onto email just like this, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now I can go ahead and let's say, for example, go ahead and make it required as well. So in the email section, there's an automatic validation. So if I were to go ahead and preview this, then in the email, let's say, for example, I can say something like this. And if I were to submit it, it says invalid email. So let me just go ahead and type in tututube channel at, let's say, for example, gmail.com right here and submit it. Now it'll take that email address because it's a valid email address now. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the database form email section inside of Notion. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.